Good day, everyone. The lessons that we are going to discuss is all about technology-based interactive teaching strategies. So what is technology-based interactive teaching strategies? Technology-based interactive teaching strategy is a term that refers to the use of various technologies to enhance the learning process and make it more engaging and interactive for students. So, technology based interactive teaching strategy is a concept that integrates digital tools into the educational process. So, it's about using technology to create a more engaging, interactive learning environment. So, this could involve using interactive whiteboards, online quizzes, or educational app to make lesson more dynamic. So the goal is to increase students' participation and foster a deeper understanding of the subject matter. It's a modern approach that caters to the digital native of today's generation, so making learning more relatable and fun. Lastly, it's all also allow for a personalized learning as technology can adapt to each student's pace and level of understanding. So some examples of technology-based interactive teaching strategies are: first, online learning. This is a form of education that happens through the internet, where students can access various materials and resources, communicate with teachers and peers, and participate in activities and assessment online. So this flexible approach is to learning provide convenience and accessibility, enabling individuals to pursue education from everywhere at their own pace. So online learning offers a convenient and interactive platform for acquiring knowledge and skills, making an increasingly popular choice for many students and professionals. Second, the blended learning. This is a combination of traditional face-to-face instruction and technology-based learning, where students can benefit from both modes of delivery. So blended learning integrates the best both of worlds, allowing students to benefit from the advantages in person's interaction and flexibility of online resources. So in a blended learning environment, students engage in a classroom activities and discussion while also accessing digital materials and participating in online assessment. So this hybrid model promotes active learning, collaboration, and personalized instruction, catering to the diverse need and learning style of students. So by blending traditional and online method, blended learning offers a dynamic and effective educational experience. Third, the game-based learning. This is a type of learning that uses games or game elements to motivate and engage students as well as to develop their skills and knowledge. So game-based learning can make learning more fun, challenging, and rewarding for students, as well as to foster their creativity and problem-solving and critical thinking abilities. Last is the collaborative learning. This is a form of learning that involves two or more students working together to achieve common goals or complete a task. So collaborative learning is an interactive approach to education where students work together in a group to accomplish a shared object or complete a task. It emphasizes active participation, cooperation, and mutual support among learners. So in collaborative learning, students engage in discussion, share ideas, and contribute their unique perspective to solve problem or explore new concept. So this method fosters critical thinking, communication skills, and teamwork, while also promoting a deeper understanding of the subject matter. So by collaborating with their peers, students not only enhance their own learning but also develop valuable social and interpersonal skills that are essential for success in the real world.
So now, let's tackle about the 3 tips of technology-based interactive teaching. First, start with your classroom setup. Just as any well-managed classroom, setup is essential. First, configure the desk in such a way that you can see all or most screens. For example, students' desks can face the outer walls of the classroom in a circular fashion, or if rows or pairs work best in the class, consider setting up the desk at the back of the classroom so you'll be able to view all screens and students without being in front and center. So, establish display teach and repeat your classroom rules and procedures when using devices so students would be clear on their expected behavior and how to handle arising technology use issues. Second, make digital citizenship a priority. Now that you have the devices in the hands of each of your students, they're ready to engage in this type of learning. Responsible use of technology, also known as digital citizenship, students can automatically navigate the internet safely, communicate effectively and respectfully, and handle other digital dilemmas. The third tips or the last tips is teach mini lessons before using devices. The teacher hands out the numbered devices to his students and their fingers punch in their personal logins as the moment they get their hands on them. Relieve that all devices are in functioning condition. The teacher begins his or her direction for today's lesson and the goal in using the devices. Like, what is wrong with this picture? What percentage would students do you think are actually listening of the discussion or the lesson's concepts? So, those are the 3 tips of technology-based interactive teaching. So now, in technology-based interactive teaching, there are 5 steps. First, use of multimedia. Vivid images, videos, instantaneous information, all of these capture attention from students easily. The use of various multimedia resources will add a zing to your classroom sessions. Students enjoy these indicative resources, and the variety of these resources will keep the students engaged and give interest in the classroom. So, multimedia can stimulate more one sense at a time, and in doing so, educators reach all different types of learners and hold students' attention longer. So, giving these students the ability to create and utilize different types of multimedia will create a more collaborative classroom and allow students to communicate and actually apply what they are learning, enhancing the overall educational experiences. Second, utilization of social media. Every kid, every teacher, in fact, everybody uses and enjoys social media. So when this social media is used for teaching purposes, it turns out to be a great use. In fact, students love being social, collaborating, sharing, and exchanging ideas as various important aspects that are integral part of teaching, like collaboration and interaction can happen seamlessly via social media. It is not just as being used by all, but it is also enables you to keep things at all checked up and helps you in assigning tasks and other class-related activities. Third, using variety of resources. Mix things up and add some engagement. The source of the information is not just limited to books. The 21st century, instead, you can use podcasts, videos, OERs, blogs, and other resources to deliver knowledge. This enjoys exploring various resources and widening their horizons. A mix of various resources is enjoyed by students and is refreshing. It is even caters to the different learning needs of the students as one of the resources that may not be up for all. Fourth, making most of games and perks of gamification. Maybe this is the best part about the tech integration. The thing that students get to learn while gaming is the best. So it is no doubt about the thing that how much love kids have for the games, and here educational games are there to help students learn their important lessons while playing amazing games. Students can get motivated by challenging each other, and if done on a mobile device, and gamification can be used as a framework for education that can be used anywhere and any level of complexity. It can be directly applied to content, to the pedagogical framework, usually the constructivism, or even to other complementary frameworks. The last or 5 steps is use technology to empower students and reach out. Technology nurtures artistic expression. Engaged students are those actively express opinions and don't just passively receive wisdom. Technology can give them a platform to explain their ideas, not just stating facts. And apart from this, you can help students reach out and learn more. So, social media helps you connect the people around the world and you can get in touch with the experts.
Magandang umaga mga bata! Maayos ba ang inyong tulog? Mabuti kung ganon. Ngayon, may ipapakita ko sa inyong mga larawan. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa unang larawan? Ano ang nakikita ninyo? Tama! Ito ay isang dagat o di kaya'y isang dalampasigan. Pangalawa, sa larawang ito, ano ang masasabi ninyo? Tama! Ito ay isang bundok o isang kabundukan. Maraming kahoy, mga pananim, prutas at iba pa na matatagpuan sa kabundukang ito. Mula sa mga larawang ipinakita ko sa inyo, paano kaya ito makatutulong sa atin? Alam nyo ba na ang mga ipinakita ko sa inyong mga larawan ay isa sa ating mga pangunahing pinagkukunan ng ating mga pangangailangan. Tinatawag silang likas na yaman. Ngayon, alamin natin kung ano ang likas na yaman. So ano ang likas na yaman? Ang likas na yaman ay mga bagay na makukuha natin mula sa ating kalikasan. Ito ay hindi gawa ng tao, ngunit gawa ng ating Panginoon. Ang ating likas na yaman ay binubuo ng yamang lupa, yamang tubig at yamang mineral. Ngayon, alamin natin ano ang mga ito. Una, yamang lupa. Ang yamang lupa ay mga bagay na nakukuha natin mula sa mga anyong lupa, tulad ng bundok, kapatagan, burol, bulubundukin, bulkan, talampas at iba pa. Ano ang mga halimbawa ng likas na yaman na matatagpuan natin sa anyong lupa? Tama! Mga prutas, mais, palay at bigas. Ilan lang ito sa mga halimbawa ng likas na yaman na matatagpuan sa anyong lupa. Pangalawa, yamang tubig. Ang yamang tubig ay mga bagay na nakukuha natin mula sa mga anyong tubig, tulad ng dagat, ilog, lawa, talon at iba pa. Ano naman ang mga halimbawa ng likas na yaman na matatagpuan natin sa anyong tubig? Tama, mga isda, korales at perlas. Pangatlo, yamang mineral. Ang yamang mineral ay mga bagay na namimina at nakukuha mula sa kabundukan o ilalim ng lupa. Ilan sa mga halimbawa ng yamang mineral ay mga ginto, diamante, pilak at iba't ibang espesyal at mga mamahaling bato. Ano nga ulit ang tatlong uri ng likas na yaman? Yamang lupa, yamang tubig at yamang mineral. Tandaan natin na ang likas na yaman ng bansa ay sapat upang maibigay ang mahahalagang pangangailangan ng mamamayan at ng pamahalaan upang makapamuhay ng maginhawa tungo sa pag-unlad ng bansa. Pagyamanin at alagaan natin ito. Napakahalagang biyaya ng Panginoon ang likas na yaman dahil sa ito ay ang pangunahing pinagkukunan ng mga mamayan ng mga kailangan sa araw-araw at pinagkukunan ng panghanap buhay ng mga tao.
Para sa inyong gawain, hahatiin ko ang klase sa 4 na grupo. Bawat grupo ay gagawa ng 1 minuto na video tungkol sa likas na yaman. Naintindihan ba, class? Okay, bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 minuto para gawin ito. Tapos na ba kayo, class? Okay, magaling! So, isang membro sa bawat grupo ay pumunta dito sa harap upang ipasa ang video na nagawa. At para naman sa inyong takdang aralin, pumili ka ng isang uri ng likas na yaman na napuntahan mo na. Dapat nandun ka sa larawan ng likas na yaman na iyong pinili. At i-print ito sa short bond paper at ipaliwanag kung bakit mo ito pinili at ano ang nararamdaman mo habang nandun ka.